The next train to depart from platform 1 will be the 20:30 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford High Street, Whitefield Lido, Stepford United FC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 1 for the 20:30 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next train to depart from platform 5 will be the 20:35 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton and Port Benton. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 5 for the 20:35 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. The next train to depart from platform 2 will be the 20:40 Stepford Connect service to Bury, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction and Bury. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 20:40 Stepford Connect service to Bury. The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 20:50 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 3 for the 20:50 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. The next train to depart from platform 1 will be the 20:55 Stepford Connect service to Stepford United FC, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford High Street, Whitefield Lido and Stepford United FC. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 1 for the 20:55 Stepford Connect service to Stepford United FC. The next train to depart from platform 6 will be the 2100 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead, calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City and Edgemead. This train is formed of 3 coaches. An ant seat service of light refreshments is available on the train. Platform 6 for the 2100 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead.
24-hour CCTV recording is in operation at the station for the purpose of security and safety management.
The next train to depart from platform 4 will be the 21:05 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield, calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford High Street, Whitefield Lido, Stepford United FC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 4 for the 21:05 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended at the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by security services. Security personnel tour this station 24 hours a day.
This is a security announcement. Please ensure that your personal effects and your baggage are kept with you at all times whilst on the station. For your personal safety and security, high ranks are in constant operation throughout this station and across the railway network. If you see something or anyone acting suspiciously, please report it immediately to our high rank. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. The next train to depart from platform 2 will be the 21:15 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Cobsley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 21:15 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. When boarding a train at this station, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. In the interest of customer safety, passengers are requested not to run when boarding trains at any time whilst here at Victoria Station. The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 21:30 Stepford Connect service to Bellamy. Calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction and Bellamy. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 3 for the 21:30 Stepford Connect service to Benton.